Hello, I'm Bobby Glenn James, one of the founders at Stampede Digital Systems. Why did we create Stampede Digital Systems? Let me tell you a story. A business owner. I'm so excited about creating my new business. I have this amazing widget, or I have this powerful service. It's going to disrupt the whole world with my amazing thingy. And I'm so excited. I'm going to build it, and I'm going to change the world. So I build it. I spend the money. I scratch up every lid. I borrow from friends and family. I do whatever it takes to create this amazing product thing. Now what? You build it and they will come, right? Unfortunately, in business, just because you build it, even if it is the most amazing thing on the planet, that doesn't mean it's going to work, or you're going to sell it, or you're going to get it out there, or it's going to spread, or it's going to go viral. You need something to get it out there. And traditionally, it's been marketing. Marketing is what you use to sell your service or product. And that's how we do things. We get out there, we spend tons of money on marketing, and you get your product out there to sell it. Well, not all marketing is the same. And in this day and age of so much social media gimmicks and way to kind of manipulate potential customers, it's just icky. I'm a business owner. I'm not a marketer. People on my team, most of us have been business owners, and we're not these big marketing gurus. But what we do know through the years and years of running our businesses, we know what works and does not work as marketing tools. There are certain things that are always going to work in the marketing basket. It's going to work. There'll be fads, there'll be gimmicks, there'll be ways of manipulating customers forever. But if you don't jump on that bandwagon immediately, you won't get any ROI out of it, and it never stays. Here at Stampede Digital Systems, our whole focus is to do what works in marketing so you get a real ROI. That's our whole vision, our whole dream, and it's the reason we created this company, because we were tired of marketing. We consider ourselves the unmarketing company. We are the unmarketing company that actually gets you to sell your service or product and not just spend money on us. If you look to your right, you'll see that little button. Now, it's my right, but it's your left. If you look to the left on the website, you will see the sales site blueprint. If you click on that sales site blueprint, I guarantee you will learn some very powerful things about your business. I was talking to a client the other day, and she said, Bobby, I did the blueprint and it was hard. It was really hard, but I learned so much about how to connect my business with potential clients. And that's what you need. So many web developers out there will say, okay, give me your content. And they wait for your content, and they put it on you, and they say, we're waiting for your content. But you're a business owner. You don't know what works in content. You need some direction. This blueprint, which is absolutely free, by the way, download it, take it, go do whatever you want with it, but be successful in your endeavors of creating a sales site that will get people to know, like, and trust you and want to have something to do with you as a business, a service, a product, or you name it. So get out there, download it, and be a part of the Stampede Digital Systems movement of creating the unmarketing world that actually sells your product or service. Bobby Glenn James, one of the founders here at Stampede Digital Systems. We'll see you later.